Hello, so this is the best way to put a roof parapet on your building. There are different ways people put roof parapet or concrete fascia on their building. Some will go and do a model in place with a sweep around the wall, but that is not the best way. I'm going to show you the best way to put roof parapet on your building. This way, if you do it this way, you can be able to schedule it and use it for analysis. Let us proceed. First, we have a profile. This is going to be our profile. I will now load it into the project. So, it's loaded now to the project. So to install it, we come to walls. Under walls, you see a sweep. You select the sweep. Restart. Now let us edit it first. And come to the type property, edit type properties, and then duplicate it. You can call this one concrete fascia. You can set the material here. Let us set the material to open the material editor, and we assign a concrete material to it. Here, let's look for cast concrete. Here we have cast in situ. We're going to make use of this one, cast in situ. Now we are going to select the profile. That's the profile we loaded into. Apply and OK. Now you see it has changed to the profile. So while it's still highlighted, you come and click on the add and remove walls. So everything there, you can add more walls. Add more walls. Add more walls. That's it. And exit it too. So the advantage of using this type of method is you can schedule it, and it is quite easy to work with. Okay, let us create a schedule. Go to View tab, Schedule of Quantity, Schedules/Quantities. We are going to scroll down to Walls Sweep. Then we can rename the schedule. Let us call it concrete fascia schedule. Okay. Alright. Come down. Now select the type. Where is it? Type. Select the material. Select the length. Let's work with this one. Concrete fascia. Material, cost, concrete catalyst. Length of the fascia is 47 meters or 7.3 meters. So you can go ahead to add other fields that will help you to cost. Like you can come here and add other parameters like cost and not the rest. So that is how you do the best way to do model concrete fascia. If you go ahead and model it as an in-place component, you will not be able to schedule it right. It will appear on the schedule, but it will not give you the total length. So this way you're able to specify total length of the fascia and then with other fields that will help you able to do a better cost estimate. So that is it.